Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are staying safe and staying home. So during this time, as we cannot step out of the house, so I thought of doing this really quick cleanup at home. This is suitable for all skin types, and especially if you have an acne prone skin, then it's gonna work amazing for you. So without wasting any time, let's get started.
Getting started, first step is to clean the face, and I'm going to use this green tea water. I like to keep this in a spray bottle, and you can even store this in the fridge for a week or so. It really helps in fighting acne. I'm going to spray this on a cotton pad and clean my face, and please don't forget your neck. For this cleanup, you need all the ingredients that are easily available in your kitchen. Now you can clearly see the amount of dirt that has come out of my face. Second step is to again clean your face. This will actually help in removing the leftover dirt and impurities from the skin. To make this cleanser, I've used some green tea leaves, 1 tablespoon of milk and 1 to 2 sprays of green tea water. Just mix these ingredients really well. Now I'm going to apply this cleanser all over my face and my neck. This may also help in removing the tan as this has raw milk. Now keep massaging your face for 5 to 7 minutes, and don't forget the side of your nose and the chin area as they tend to have a lot of blackheads. Now with the help of a warm towel, wipe your face. Moving on to the third step, and that is exfoliating. To make this scrub, I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of sugar, a little bit of green tea water and some green tea leaves. As this has sugar and green tea, so it's going to work great as an exfoliator. It will remove the dry and dead skin cells, leaving the skin extremely soft and glowing. Now scrub your face gently for 3 to 4 minutes. Make sure you don't get too harsh on your skin and target those areas where you tend to get a lot of blackheads and whiteheads. After scrubbing, I'll steam my face for 5 to 10 minutes. You can add a drop of tea tree oil if you have an acne prone skin. So steaming actually opens up the pores, removes dirt and softens blackheads, making them easier to remove. Now that I'm done with steaming, I'm going to remove all the blackheads using this blackhead removal tool. The fifth step is to apply a face mask. To make this face mask, you'll need some green tea leaves, 1 spoon of curd, 1 spoon of honey and a drop of tea tree oil. You can definitely skip this step if you don't have an acne prone skin. Now I'm going to apply this face mask evenly all over my face and let it sit for 10 minutes. As this face mask has green tea leaves and tea tree oil, so this prevents acne and blackheads. Honey and curd can reduce the appearance of acne spots or blemishes for a clear, glowing and healthy looking skin. You can clearly see after doing these simple steps how clean and glowing my skin looks. Now it's time to use a toner, and to make this toner I have green tea water. To that I'm adding 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. I'm going to spray this all over my face and let it absorb into my skin. I store this toner in the fridge and I use it every day for a healthy and glowing skin. The last and the final step is to moisturize, and I'm using this Nivea Light Moisturizer. I like to use a good amount of moisturizer as it really helps in maintaining a glowing skin. Now that we're done with the green tea cleanup, you can clearly see how smooth, glowing and clean my skin looks. It feels really soft and supple. I hope you guys like this video, and if you like it, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.